Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is polynomials. So before starting today's exercise, again I will recall you the definition of polynomials. What are polynomials? In the starting of the chapter and in between also 2 or 3 times I told you the definition. The algebraic expression having many terms are called polynomials. Means poly means many, males means terms, means expression having many terms. But at the same time one requirement is there, that powers of the variable should be whole numbers. As you know that the whole number start from 1 and going endlessly. So the algebraic expressions having the power of the variable 0 means there is no variable, there is constant only, that is known as constant variable. At the same time, if the power of the variable is 1, then the polynomial will be linear. If the power of the variable is 2, then the polynomial will be quadratic. If the power of the variable is 3, then the polynomial will be cubic. At the same time, if the power of the variable is 4, then the polynomial will be biquadratic. And if the power of the variable is 5 or more than 5, then we are supposed to collectively call them the polynomials. There is no specific name for them. So today we will continue the exercise 2.4, and we have solved already some of the questions. Today we will try to solve question number 5, part 2nd, in which we are supposed to factorize a given polynomial, and the given polynomial is p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, minus 9x minus 5. So here as the degree is 3, so the polynomial is cubic, and to factorize that there will be 3 brackets. So there will be 3 factors. So first factor we are supposed to find by the method of hit and trial, in which we are supposed to find p1, p minus 1, p2 or p minus 2, which value comes equals to 0, and we can construct the factor by using that value. So here we will try p minus 1. P minus 1 means we will substitute the x by minus 1, minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. So from here we can see that p of minus 1 equals to minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 1 square plus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 9 minus 5, that is 9 positive and the negative, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. So that is 0. If p of minus 1 is equals to 0, it implies x plus 1 is a factor of px. Now we got that p of minus 1 is 0, p of minus 1 is 0, it means x plus 1 is a factor. If p of 1 would have been 0, then x minus 1 would have been the factor of the polynomial. So we got the one factor. So now we can divide the px by the factor we found right now. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 we will divide the polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, and the quotient we will write this side. So first x, here x cube, so we are supposed to multiply by x square into x cube, x square into 1, that is x square. Afterwards we are supposed to subtract. To subtract we are supposed to change the sign. After changing sign, that can be cancelled out. Minus 3x square minus x square means minus 4x square, and we are supposed to borrow these two terms, that is minus 9x minus 5. So here we want minus 4, so we will write minus 4 here. Then we want x square in place of x, so we will multiply by x. When we multiply x by minus 4x, it will become minus 4x square, and when we multiply this plus 1, then it will become minus 4x. Afterwards, we are supposed to change the sign. If we change the sign, minus will become plus, minus will become plus, it will be cancelled out. Minus 9x plus 4x means minus 5x, minus 5 already we have brought down. So now we are supposed to multiply by minus 5. So minus 5 into x, minus 5x, and minus 5 into plus 1, that is minus 5 again. So again we will change the sign, and both the terms will be completely cancelled out, and we will get 0 as the remainder. It means that what we have thought, that x plus 1 is a factor of this px, is right, because we got the remainder 0. Now the next step will be here, that we can write p of x is equals to x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5 plus 0, because we have already read in our lower classes that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here remainder is 0, so we can write dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. So we have written the same thing here. So now p of x, this already has been factorized. Now we will split the middle term here. So x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. So we have split it up minus 4x into two parts, that is minus 5x plus x. If we add, we will get minus 4x. This method is known as splitting the middle term. So what we will do now, p of x is equals to x plus 1, and then we will place here the square bracket, and then we will take x common from here. If you take x common, x minus 5, from here nothing is common, so we will take plus 1 common, x minus 5, and then the bracket will be closed. Afterwards we will write again p of x is equals to x plus 1 into, now here x plus 5 is common, so x minus 5, sorry. So if you take x minus 5 common from here, we will be left with only x, and if you take x minus 5 common from here, we will left with plus 1. So now our question is complete. P of x is equals to x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 1 again. So here this is the method how we can factorize a given polynomial, and in this, first of all, you have to find the factor if the degree is more than 2. If the degree is up to 2, then you can factorize a given polynomial by the method of splitting the middle term. But if the degree is more than 3, if the degree is more than 3, that is more than 2, that is 3, 4 or 5, then first of all you are supposed to find some of the factors, and then you are supposed to multiply those factors, and by the product of those factors you are supposed to divide the given polynomial, and afterwards you can get the quadratic polynomial, which you can easily factorize using the splitting the middle term. But in your book, I think the questions for the factorization can be of degree 3 or maximum 4. So if the polynomial given is having the degree 4, then 2 factors you are supposed to find by the method like this, that is called as hit and trial method. As we have used here p of minus 1, and we got directly p of minus 1 is equals to 0. If this would have not been happened, then we can check p of plus 1 or p of minus 2 or p of plus 2, p of minus 3, p of plus 3. We will get at least one factor from this hit and trial method. Afterwards we can proceed the same procedure to factorize a given polynomial. I hope that you have understood, and you will try some of the questions given in your textbook, and after completing those questions you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problems, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts by any of the means, but bottom line is that you are supposed to try. If you don't try, then there will be no doubts. So complete the questions and take the pic of that and upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.